This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS Company Mortgage Professionals.
Hey, good morning. I'm Jeff Farnham. Today, homebuyers can search online for the basics of the mortgage process, leading to remarkably more informed borrowers than we saw a decade ago. But the reality is, homebuying requires navigating financial options, legal obligations, local guidelines, and complex processes that occur on tight timelines. At JTS Company, we provide borrowers with expert, personalized guidance to reduce the stress and create clarity as you make such a significant financial decision. It's not surprising that recent home buyers find it challenging to find the right home. A recent survey showed 46% of recent home buyers wanted more personalized support throughout the home buying process. Many markets are still sellers markets, and buyers often need to decide very quickly whether they should be outbid the competition. That's why it's so important to be pre-qualified before shopping for homes. Once you find the home you've been looking for, it's a hard pill to swallow when you lose it to someone because they had their pre-qualification and you didn't. Currently, most home buyers like the face-to-face personal touch along with the ease of today's technology when applying for a mortgage. At JTS Company, the pre-qualification process doesn't take long, and we take pride in a thorough analysis of your credit profile. I cannot tell you how many calls we receive from home buyers who thought they were pre-qualified with another lender, only to find out during the processing phase they cannot finish the loan for a reason that should have been caught from the very beginning. More often than not, however, we can help buyers save the deal and they are still able to purchase that home. Let's sit down and discuss your unique situation, long-term goals, and help you decide the best route to take for home ownership. Making JTS Company your first call is always the best approach. A strong labor market caused consumer confidence to rise in May. This suggests that the economy remains on solid ground. The dream of home ownership is still alive and well, and younger buyers who are building families and forging their careers must stretch their budgets to achieve it. Millennials are already buying homes and have been the largest group of buyers for the past 5 years. This is largely in part because they have started aging into having to make this financial decision. Of those who haven't yet gotten the keys to their own front door, 52% feel financially ready to make a purchase. 70% said they are willing to cut back on their weekend spending, including shopping and going to the movies, if it means they would buy a home within the next 12 months. Despite common misconception, millennials are planning ahead, making smart financial decisions, and are willing to adjust their current lifestyle to make home ownership possible. Even while juggling various financial priorities or obligations, including paying off student loans and improving credit scores, 93% of respondents said they know that home ownership is on the horizon, and they feel either excited or hopeful about the home buying process. Having student loans or other types of debt doesn't mean you can't purchase a home. Schedule your free consultation with JTS Company and let us review your specific situation. We have a lot of options to choose from, and we will be able to help guide you to make a decision that fits your situation best. Mortgage applications were on the rise mid-May while mortgage rates fell for the fourth straight week. The 30-year fixed-rate mortgage hit its lowest level since January 2018, leading to a rebound in refinances. The refinance index increased 8% to its highest level in over a month, while purchase activity remained around 7% higher than a year ago. There's lots of good information reported in the housing and mortgage industry these days. But bottom line is, if you're in the market to purchase or refinance a home, now or in the near future, JTS Company wants to help you through the process. Don't trust this decision to a national or 1-800 lender you can't sit down with face-to-face. We are local, trusted, and experienced, and we want to make homeownership easy for you. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to tune in next week.
This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS Company Mortgage Professionals.